Hi, this is Bryan with Dalinghaus Construction, bringing your foundation repair tip of the day. There are a variety of floor coatings that can be put on concrete. The difference between Pentex floor coatings is actually the durability and the one-day install. Our floors have a 15-year warranty on the floor itself and a lifetime on the UV stability so it doesn't yellow or discolor. Our competitors, whether it be from box store or from someone installing an epoxy floor, as they're all epoxies, you will find that in a matter of a couple years they'll start peeling up, showing distresses, things that allow the floor not to look like it did when it got installed. Our floors 15 years, 20 years from now will look the same as they're installed today.